quiet. Hear that? It's BioSig, and it still has a pulse. This medical device company specializes in digital signal processing technology for treating cardiovascular arrhythmias. Their Pure EP platform helps electrophysiologists acquire clear cardiac signals in real time, enhancing clinical decision-making and workflow for complex procedures like ventricular tachycardia and atrial fibrillation. Gradually, there's also been a shift from hardware distribution to developing novel software algorithms, particularly for improving pulsed field ablation outcomes. Within the medical industry, cardiac arrhythmias, such as atrial fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia, are treated with pharmacological therapies or catheter ablation. Catheter ablation involves advancing flexible catheters into the heart to destroy abnormal tissue causing arrhythmias. The global electrophysiology laboratory devices market is projected to grow at a 15.1% CAGR from 2025 to 2030, driven by increasing use of EP tests and devices for cardiac rhythm management. Atrial fibrillation is a common heart rhythm disorder affecting millions worldwide, increasing stroke risk fivefold. Catheter ablation can effectively treat AF, especially for symptomatic, drug-refractory patients. Pulsed field ablation, a non-thermal method, creates lesions in cardiac tissue through irreversible electroporation, improving safety and efficiency. Recording electrograms during procedures is crucial for guiding ablation, allowing doctors to assess treatment effectiveness and identify areas needing further treatment. Advanced electrogram analysis is necessary to ensure adequate lesion formation and optimize treatment. Current EP recording systems struggle to deliver high-quality recordings, particularly for complex arrhythmias like AF and VT, which require preserving signal fidelity to guide ablation procedures. BioSig's Pure EP platform aims to deliver superior quality recordings, integrating with other advanced equipment in the EP lab to improve treatment outcomes. The Pure EP platform is a patented signal processing technology designed to improve cardiac catheter ablation procedures by addressing limitations such as environmental lab noise, signal saturation, and inaccurate display of complex signals. It combines advanced hardware and software to acquire high-fidelity cardiac signals with minimal noise and artifacts. The platform records raw cardiac signals with multiple display options, low noise, and a large input signal dynamic range, providing large signal input protection and radio frequency noise suppression. Pure EP's features include less noise, a wider range, higher definition, unipolar signal acquisition, customizable software and filters, and seamless integration with existing EP labs and workflows. These features may enable physicians to better determine precise ablation targets, strategy, and endpoint of procedures, potentially reducing the need for multiple procedures and allowing less experienced EP physicians to perform complex procedures. Preclinical studies, including those conducted at Mayo Clinic, have validated the technology's effectiveness, with 9 manuscripts published evidencing the findings. The Pure EP system has undergone several clinical evaluations, starting with observational patient cases in 2019 at various medical centers, including Texas Cardiac Arrhythmia Institute and Mayo Clinic. These cases showed the system functions as designed, with positive feedback from electrophysiologists about improved signal detection and fidelity. The Pure EP 2.0 study, conducted at 3 U.S. hospitals, collected intracardiac signal data during 51 cardiac ablation procedures and had 3 independent electrophysiologists evaluate the signal quality. Results showed a 75% overall improvement in signal quality and confidence in interpreting Pure EP signals, with improved confidence in complex signal interpretation and visualization of small potentials. Currently, a research study is being conducted at Texas Cardiac Arrhythmia Institute to investigate tissue characterization by frequency assessment in pulmonary vein isolation using pulsed field ablation. The study aims to capture critical information related to tissue responsiveness to PFA, potentially improving long-term outcomes. Now, there's also a shift from commercial distribution of hardware to research and development of novel software algorithms to advance understanding of mechanisms and tissue characteristics with ongoing data collection. The goal is to improve the specificity of PFA treatment and clinical outcomes. BioSig has sold and leased several pure EP systems to medical institutions, including St. David's Healthcare and Mayo Foundation. The company believes it doesn't have direct competition in its novel software modules for displaying cardiac signals, but the EP market is competitive with major players like GE Healthcare and Boston Scientific. These competitors' recording systems are built on relatively old technologies that may sacrifice cardiac signal fidelity, potentially impacting ablation strategy and leading to multiple procedures. BioSig's pure EP system uses a different approach, prioritizing signal fidelity. The company has reduced its research and development expenses significantly, from just over $5 million in 2023 to around $830,000 in 2024. BioSig also has subsidiaries including Viral Clear Pharmaceuticals and BioSig AI Sciences, which are currently dormant or on hold due to lack of resources. Viral Clear was initially focused on developing an antiviral agent and is now being reevaluated, while BioSig AI was developing AI solutions for hospital applications. For more on BioSig technologies and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.